इसीलिए लेट है।
आप भी जाइए।
अरे काम ना जरा ओ राजा जरा तेवढं होऊ द्या ना.
माताजी नवरा नवरी उभा आहे, मंगलाष्टक सुरू करायचंय. नाही, मंगलाष्टक सुरू करायचंय. मंगलाष्टक. नवरा नवरी उभा आहेत, मंगलाष्टक सुरू करतो आपल्या.
तुमची शादी असली तर ठीक आहे.
विश्वस्य आदिबीजं गौरीनं धनबालकम् अतिप्रियं कुण्डलिनी रक्षकं भूमितत्त्वविराजितं गणवरम् मूलाधारस्थितं पावित्र्यं प्रदायकं गणपतिं कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलं शुभमङ्गल सावधान भुवः स्वामि प्रिया सुवरदा आत्मैकनिष्ठा प्रदा स्वाधिष्ठान स्थिता विरञ्चि सहितम् कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलं शुभमङ्गल सावधान ताराया भवसागरात् अपना दत्तात्रया वन्दुया प्रार्थूया चरणी रमापस्या कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलं शुभमङ्गल सावधान महेशा वन्दूया शिवपार्वती सहितै जागविण्या आनन्द प्रार्थूया चरणी जगज्जननी चा कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलं शुभमङ्गल सावधान माधुरी मय जीवनाला ऐसवे येशू महालक्ष्मीचा शुभमङ्गल सावधान या ब्रह्माच्युतरुद्र कृष्ण येशू स्तुवन्ति दिव्यैस्तव्यै देवे साङ्ग पदक्रमोपनिषदै गायन्ति यो सामुगा ध्यानावस्थित तदद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति या योगिनो सा देवी परमेशि आदिशक्ति कुर्यात् सदा मङ्गलं शुभमङ्गल सावधान 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 सावधान.
Now you can drop the answer part. First the bride will garland bridegroom, then the bridegroom will garland the bride.
Okay, finished. Flower done. Keep it 1 plus.
Each other, the couple will go to their respective havan. Please go to your havan. The havans have been marked, so you have to go to that numbered havan. Volunteers will help to the couples to reach to their havan. Where the numbers have been marked. Bridegroom will keep sitting near the havan where the numbers have been marked. कृपया आपने दूल्हा दुल्हन अपने हवन जहाँ नंबर्स मार्क किए हुए हैं वहाँ जाके बैठे। दूल्हा दुल्हन हवन के पास ऐसे बैठे कि जो श्री माता की तरफ उनका चेहरा हो। The bridegroom will sit near the havan such a way that they will be facing towards Shri Mataji. We do not accept Parmeshwaraya Praptartham Vishwa Nirmala Dharma Swikaromi. The way of life in Vishwa Nirmala Dharma is Satyam Acharet, Priyam Acharet, Hitam Acharet. The meaning is the truth should be followed, that which is blissful should be followed, that which would promote Hitam, benevolence, should be followed. Now the next function, दुल्हन अपने दोनों हाथ पकड़ेगी, उसके नीचे उसके ब्राइड के फादर का हाथ होंगे दोनों, और ब्राइड के फादर के दोनों हाथ के नीचे ब्राइड ग्रूम के होंगे दोनों हाथ। दिस कॉपर प्लेट केप्ट नियर, वहाँ कॉपर का एक चम्मच रखा है, उससे पानी लेके कृपया ब्राइड के हाथ में डालें। फिर वो पानी into the hands of the bride, which will flow into the hands of the bride's father, then into the hands of the bridegroom, and then it will fall into the copper plate. Here the bride, while doing this, the bride's father says to the bridegroom,
No, it's not right.
Om Sri Adi Shakti Sahaj Yogina Sakshinyah Sarva Devataha Imam Sahaj Yoginim Kanyam Vishwa Nirmala Dharma Svikritam Patni Tvena Stupyamaham Sampradade Kanyam Pratigranatu Bhavan. She has accepted the Vishwa Nirmala Dharma. Also I and her mother are followers of the Vishwa Nirmala Dharma. Considering that you are the best Sahaj Yogi, I offer my daughter to you in the auspicious and divine presence of Sri Adi Shakti. So keeping fully in mind the importance of this great function, please give complete respect to it. The bridegroom says after this, Prati Grannami, means of course I will comply fully with it. Now you can stop pouring the water. The next ceremony is called tying the turmeric onto the left hand wrist of the bride. The bridegroom, while tying this turmeric, both will say Om Sri Adi Shakti Sahaj Yoginah Sakshinyah Sarva Devataha Sri Adi Shaktya Ashirvadat Praptah Swikaromi Esha Vivah Bandhanah. The meaning is, it is with the blessings of Sri Adi Shakti that I accept the auspicious bond of this marriage and pray. Sahaj Yoga Vardhatam, may the Sahaj Yoga grow. Atma Sakshatkar Vardhatam, may the self-realization grow. Pushtihi Tushtihi Vardhatam, may the satisfaction grow. While the following mantra is being recited, the bridegrooms should sprinkle the akshada over the heads of each other. अक्षदा रखी है तो ब्राइड और ब्राइडग्रूम एक दूसरे के सर पे उसको स्प्रिंकल करेंगे. में काम समृद्धताम, सहज योग कार्यार्थ शक्ति तथा उत्साह में काम समृद्धताम. May we always have, by the blessings of Sri Adi Shakti, the bridegroom will tie around the neck of the bride the Mangal Sutra. That which is very the thread of Chaitanya and auspiciousness, and hence it is called Mangal Sutra. Or will tie the knots of the shoulder cloth around the Havana, where the bridegroom will lead the first 4 rounds, and the bride will say, please take 1 round and stand onto the original position. Ishe ekapadi bhava, samam anuvrata bhava. Here the bridegroom is saying, I remember Sri Adi Shakti, Sri Mataji in my heart, and tell you that you must keep the chastity that would be necessary for good Muladhar. Our benevolence and auspiciousness lies in completely accepting and keeping full respect of innocence and forsaking cunningness. Second round. Urje Dvipadi Bhava, Samam Anuvrata Bhava. Here the bridegroom says, I remember Sri Adi Shakti, Sri Mataji in my heart. I am telling you that the divine aesthetics of married life should be seen in our daily life. Our home should be aesthetically decorated like planets and stars. And all hospitality to Sahajyogis and fully associate with you in performing the duties towards Dharma. May we both achieve the blessings of enjoying the joy of collectivity. Third round, the bridegroom will lead, and at the end of the round, the bride will disturb the third rice mound. Here the bridegroom says, Rayas Poshaya Tripadi Bhava, Samam Anuvrata Bhava. We should spend our wealth, whatever possible, with the feelings that we are receiving the God's blessings. There should be no hankering for material objects and becoming completely detached, videhi. We should nourish our Mahalakshmi principle. Fourth round, bridegroom will lead the fourth round, and at the end of the round, the bride will disturb the fourth rice mound. Samam Anuvrata Bhava. The meaning is, the bridegroom says, I remember Sri Adi Shakti, Sri Mataji in my heart. I am telling you that I will never hurt your feelings and shall forget all the mistakes. Now the fifth round where the bride will lead. The fifth round the bride will lead, and at the end of the fifth round the bride will disturb the fifth rice mound. While taking this fifth round, the bride is saying now to the bridegroom, Prajabhya Panchapadi Bhava, Samam Anuvrata Bhava. The meaning is, she says, I remember Sri Adi Shakti, Sri Mataji in my heart, and telling that I shall bring the divine sweetness in your life. I shall cook delicious food. We should never use between ourselves abusive or bad language, and should never shout at each other. You should quietly listen to me and I shall also quietly listen to you. Sixth round. The volunteers and the parents ensure that the fire is remain in the Havana. Sixth round, here the bride will lead, and at the end of the round she will disturb the sixth rice mound. She says, Rutubhya Shatpadi Bhava Samam Anuvrata Bhava. Your eyes should be pure and free from lust for women and without greed for anything. Sixth round. Seventh round. Seventh round, the bride will lead and will disturb the last seventh rice mound. Now here the bride says to the bridegroom, Sakha Saptapadi Bhava Samam Anuvrata Bhava. The meaning is, I remember Sri Adishakti Sri Mataji in my heart and tell you that we should truly understand that Her Holiness Sri Mataji Nirmala Devi Ji has conferred her great blessings on us, and so we should completely surrender and dedicate our hearts to her. Please correct me if you find me failing in these. Now, standing as it is, the bride and bridegroom will say together, I shall open the path of moksha which I have got with the blessings and grace of Her Holiness Sri Mataji also to others, and shall achieve in the company of such great and realized person the well-being of the whole universe. अभी दूल्हा दुल्हन बैठ सकते हैं नीचे, facing towards Sri Mataji. The bride bridegroom can sit near the Havana. Om Agne Swaha, Om Agne Swaha, Om Agne Swaha, Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om Tat Sat, Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasashyate. Om Shanti, Om Shanti, Om Shanti. बोलो आदिशक्ति श्री माता जी निर्मल देवी जी की जय। The couple, wherever they are sitting, from their seat they will offer pranam to Shri Mataji. Only the married couples just now. Other relations will keep sitting near the Havana wherever they are sitting and not even to stand.
आज शादी हो गई।
तरफ से सबकी तरफ से आप लोगों को मुबारक हो। शादियां सबको मुबारक हो।
Our warmest felicitations and very best wishes to all of you. Thank you.
बोलो आदिशक्ति श्री निर्मला देवी की
अभी कवाली गा सकते हैं। Mr. Gregor and Sri Dinesh Rai ji, please come in front of the stage, in front of Sri Mataji.